Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Part 2. So for today's video guys, as you can see on my background, we are gonna open everything that I got from last Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So these are all gadgets. So last year with my Black Friday haul video, it's more of clothes, bags. So this year I already have a lot of clothes. So I said, okay, I'm just gonna buy gadgets because they were really like $150 to $200 off from their original price. So it was really a good deal. These are not all for me. I only got the GoPro Hero 10, the Rokinon wide angle lens, and the Manfrotto tripod for myself. And I bought my husband a new gaming setup. So as you can see, I have here the 27-inch Alienware monitor, a new gaming chair, and a HP Omen desktop PC. So his computer is really old. I just realized, you know what, he deserves a new gaming setup because he's been just using that computer for like forever. So without further ado guys, let's open first his computer so we can set it up on our mini office. And let's start. So here we go guys. When I was in college and I played Dota 2, Warcraft, I always wanted to have an Alienware gaming computer. I feel like Alienware is the most powerful computer when it comes to gaming out in the market right now. I still made my dream came true, but it's not for me, it's my husband. But I'm still happy because I am able to buy Alienware. So this is me when I was in college. This is my dream. So the next thing that we are going to open guys is the gaming chair.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart, and I we can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter.
So now let's unbox the HP Omen PC.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter.
So the next thing that we are gonna unbox, guys. So this is the Rokinon 12mm 2.0 aperture autofocus. So this is compatible with my Sony camera. So I want to unbox this first because I'm gonna use this lens together with my camera to shoot an unboxing ASMR of my GoPro and tripod. So we'll just see how it looks like. If the video is crispy and at the same time it still gets that blurry background just like this lens. So we'll see. Inside is a cute pouch like a speaker, and pretty much that's it. This is just the manual, I guess, and inside this cute black pouch is the lens. So this is pretty much it. I'll try this one, and the next footage that you will see will be shot from my Sony ZV-E10 using this lens. So let's try it out. So I was in the same exact spot, guys, but as you can see, you can like see more of the background because it's a wide angle lens compared to my Sigma 16mm lens. Yup, I can totally recognize the difference between this lens and my new Rokinon lens. So yeah, let's unbox my GoPro and my Manfrotto tripod. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Vlogmas. See ya.